Let T be a linear transformation from P3 to P3 by this relation if the matrix representation of T with respect to standard ordered basis beta and gamma both are same. 1 comma x comma x square comma x cube is m, then we need to find m plus m transpose. We need to find m plus m transpose. So there is no need to check this is a linear transformation. Second is this one is a basis or not. We need to only remember one point. Every domain point can be written as a basis for domain, and every image can be written as a linear combination of codomain bases. That will be helpful when beta and gamma or do, or bases for domain and codomain are different from this one. So there is no need to worry because ba bases are same. So each element, either domain or codomain, can be written as a linear combination of this set. First basis element is 1, and 1 can be written as a linear combination of basis element. 1 into 1 plus 0 into x plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x cube. Apply t on it. It will be, and how t treat as a treated polynomial as in terms of integration. So it will be 1 to x and its derivative will be 0. So 0 into dt. Now it will be 0, and you can write 0 as a linear combination of 0 into 1 plus 0 into x plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x cube. So our first row is 0 0 0 in matrix representation. In matrix representation, our first row is 0 0 0 and 0, 4 times 0. Now we will find other column. Now other basis element is, second basis element is x, and x can be written as a 0 into 1 plus 1 into x plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x cube. Apply t both side, and t convert this polynomial into integration, and its derivative will be 1 into dt, and derivative of 1 is x, and limit is from 1 to x, or in terms of t, limit is 1 to x. So it will become x minus 1, and x minus 1 can be written as minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into x plus 0 into x plus 0 into x square. So second column is minus 1 1 0 0. Now x square can be written as a linear combination of basis element 0 into 1 plus 0 into x plus 1 into x square plus 0 into x cube, and its derivative will be 2x or 2t dt in terms of t, and its integration will be t square, and limit is from 1 to x. So it will become x square minus 1, and can be written as minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into x plus 1 into x square plus 0 into x cube. So our third column is minus 1 0 1 0, and similarly t x cube will be t 0 into 1 plus 0 into x plus 0 into x square plus 1 into x cube. So it will become 1 to x, and its derivative will be 3t square in terms of t dt, and its integration will be t cube from 1 to x, and this will become x cube minus 1. So minus 1 0 0 1. So this is my m, call it m. Now we need to find m transpose. M is 0 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 here, 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is our m, and its transpose, m transpose will be 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Because order of these matrices are same, so addition is possible, because we require m plus m transpose. So add these two matrices element wise. So first row will be 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Second one will be minus 1 2 0 0. Third one will be 0 0 2 0, and fourth one will be minus 1 0 0 2. So this is my matrix m plus m transpose, and here you can see first row and first column is 0 minus 1 minus 1, and diagonal elements are 0 2 2 2, and at remaining position 0 0 are there. So which one option is giving this matrices? 0 minus 1 1, you can see here row wise and column wise, and 2 as in a diagonal, so option A is true here.